This video, I will show you how to create an account on Amazon Shopping. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Amazon Shopping like this. So here you can choose your region, your languages, and your currency. After that, click down. And right now, you want to create an account. Click I'm new to Amazon, create an account. So here you have to enter your email address. And after entering your email address, click continue. And right now you have to create a password. I do my password, click right now sign in. And right now they will send you like a verification code to your email that you write. Right now I enter my verification code and right now skip the password next time. Right now click skip. And yeah, that's all guys. You have created an account easy and quick on Amazon Shopping. If you find this video useful, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and bye.